Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on cleaning the Kelatos López Dell P25G fan. Keeping your fan clean is essential for maintaining its efficiency and prolonging its lifespan. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Gather your tools. To start, you will need a few essential tools. A Phillips screwdriver. Compressed air canister. Soft microfiber cloth. Isopropyl alcohol. A small brush or toothbrush. Step 2. Power off and unplug. Before you begin cleaning, ensure that the fan is completely powered off and unplugged from the electrical outlet. This ensures your safety while working. Step 3. Disassemble the fan. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the fan cover. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the cover to expose the internal components. Step 4. Cleaning the blades. With the cover removed, you can see the fan blades. Use the microfiber cloth dampened with a little isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the blades. This will remove dust buildup, which can impede performance. If the blades are particularly dirty, you can use a small brush or toothbrush to dislodge any stubborn dirt. Step 5. Use compressed air. Next, take your compressed air canister and blow air into the fan motor and around the blades. This will help remove any dust that is settled in hard-to-reach areas. Be sure to do this in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any dust. Step 6. Clean the fan cover. Don't forget to clean the fan cover as well. Wipe it down with your microfiber cloth to ensure it's free of dust. This helps in maintaining a clean appearance and prevents dust from recirculating when the fan is in operation. Step 7. Reassemble the fan. Once everything is clean and dry, carefully place the fan cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight and secure to prevent any movement during operation. Optional step: professional help. If you find yourself unable to perform these steps or if you lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We can handle the cleaning for you with pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed, just a simple, convenient solution. Step 8. Power on and test. Once your fan is reassembled, plug it back in and power it on. Listen for any unusual noises and ensure it's running smoothly. A clean fan should operate quietly and efficiently. Final thoughts. Regular maintenance of your Kelatos López Dell P25G fan will ensure it operates at peak performance. If you have any concerns or if the fan is not performing as expected, remember that we provide a quote before repair. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.